Have you ever been in a situation where you go on a date with a cute girl, or maybe you meet an absolute stunner at a bar or nightclub, and it gets to the end of the interaction, or at the end of the date where it's time for you to invite this girl home, but when you do invite her home, she says, look, listen, I'm not really comfortable to come home with you tonight. I'm not that type of girl. I don't really do one night stands. I don't know you well enough. Well, if you've come across this concern, most of you probably gave up, went home and played with yourself. So in this video, I'm going to teach you the most effective line that you can use to make girls feel more comfortable to come home with you after that first date or after that night out when you met this girl at the bars or clubs. Now, before I teach you this incredibly powerful line, I'm going to tell you why I was actually inspired to make this video and really help you guys out in terms of dealing with these concerns, because I think this is a massive sticking point for a lot of guys. Now, I was actually hanging out in Bali, Canggu a few months back, and I was spending some time with a previous client, Nathan, who just recently completed our online mentorship program. Now, Nathan is a very successful entrepreneur, so he needed to take some time off to focus on business for a little while after our mentorship. And because of that, when he ended up meeting us back in Bali, he was a little bit rusty. Now, when he was back in Bali, he was going out like 3-4 nights a week. He was very motivated to go and make the most of his time off. Now, when he was going out, he was meeting a lot of cute girls, he was having a lot of solid interactions, but the issue was every single time he got to the moment it was ready for him to actually invite these girls home, the girls would continue to give him the exact same concerns or objections over and over again, which was, hey, like, look, listen, I'm not really sure if I'm comfortable to go home with you. I don't know you that well. I don't really do one night stands. I don't go home with guys on the first night. And Nathan would come across this concern and just go, oh, she's not interested. There's nothing I can do here, and just gave up. And he came to me, he's like, Alex, I'm going out fucking like 3-4 nights a week and I just can't seem to take these girls home. And he told me about his situation. He told me about the types of concerns he was getting. And I was like, bro, what do you mean? How are you actually fucking this up? I taught you exactly what to do and what to say if these concerns came up in your interactions on the program. He's like, fuck, dude, I forgot. Can you please tell me again? And I told him the exact line to use. And then he went out the next 3 or 4 nights in a row, and every single night he ended up taking a girl home. And he comes to me, he's like, Alex, what the fuck? I had no idea this line was so ridiculously powerful. I'm like, yeah, bro, it literally can be that simple if you just make the girls feel comfortable by saying this exact line, which I'm about to teach you. Now, you guys have to understand, if you have met a cute girl at a bar or nightclub, or you've been on a first date, and you've ran things optimally in terms of these girls feel attracted to you, they feel comfortable, you've developed some form of connection with her, she also felt some sexual tension, and you guys obviously have chemistry and like each other, the vast majority of the time, the girls are actually going to be excited to go home with you and to hook up with you. But when you invite girls home, sometimes there's a few concerns there. The reason why sometimes the girls might give you a little objection is because, one, some girls don't want to come across too easy by just saying yes and going home with you. Or some girls just don't want to feel like it's an expectation if she did come home with you. Because you have to understand, if you're inviting a girl back to your apartment, it's implied that most likely you guys are probably going to hook up. But because girls are emotional creatures, she just doesn't want to go home with you and feel like it's an expectation, just in case she changes her mind last minute. So what we need to do is we need to use our social skills and our social awareness to understand this psychology and actually take the pressure off of the girl. Now, this is what you can say to take the pressure off and make the girl feel more comfortable to come home with you. So for example, you say, hey, did you want to come back to mine for a drink? And she says, look, probably not tonight. I don't know you that well. I don't do one night stands. I'm not that type of girl, etc., etc. If she says this, this is what you say. You say, hey, listen, just so you know, by me inviting you back to mine, I actually have zero expectations of anything happening. I'm just inviting you to come back to mine for a drink because I'm really enjoying your company and I wanted to get to know you a little bit better. You don't have to do anything that you're not comfortable with. Now, when you say this, guys, this takes the pressure off and allows her to understand that even though you are inviting her home and it's implied that you're most likely going to hook up, there is no expectations. And this takes the pressure off of the girl. It's going to make her 10 times more comfortable. And I promise you, when you say this, 80% of the time, the girls are now going to be down to actually go back to your place. Now, if you say this and she doubles down and still gives you a few more concerns or objections, then most likely there's some more to it. And what I do in our coaching programs, I actually teach some really advanced objection handling stuff that allows you to identify what her genuine concern or objection is. Now, again, you have to remember, most of the time the girls are actually down to go home with you, but maybe it's like a logistical concern, it's an emotional concern, or maybe even a smokescreen concern. And it's your job as the man to problem solve and identify what might be actually holding her back. And I teach you how to do this in a very socially calibrated way, because girls, one, they do appreciate a bit of persistence, and two, sometimes girls aren't going to make it easy for you to get them back to your place, and that's fine, that's very normal. But they like a guy that can actually figure out what the problem is, create a solution, and move things forward. And I teach this in our online mentorship program. What I'm going to be doing for you guys is a special treat. I'm actually going to be creating an entire training in our free Facebook group on how to deal with a variety of different concerns or objections that may come up. So that way, when you are inviting girls home, these girls feel more comfortable and excited to actually go home with you. But I'll leave that for our Facebook group content for a later date. Now, if you guys have enjoyed this type of dating and self-development content, then please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out with the channel. And also, guys, if you want to inquire about some of our coaching services, there's a link in the description to book a free consultation call. So if you want to do that, you can. But until then, see you guys in the next video.